You ever love someone to the grave and beyond? That's how I feel. But I still don't want to acknowledge he's gone.
What are you afraid of will happen if you let him go?
There's never going to be another person who makes me feel like that in this earth. And no one ever, it's been 5 years.
Okay.
No one else has made me feel that way in my life. I don't want to let go. He's gone, and I don't want to let go of him. I don't want to let it go.
Precious, what if you don't have to let him go, but you can still move forward?
It's great to move forward, but I don't want to let him go. I'm like, there's no man who came in who made me feel like that since, which is why I'm not in a relationship. I don't have any children.